Guys, so welcome back to my channel. This is GHkins. So this video is overdue. I was supposed to do this video like 2 weeks ago. Sorry for the background. Okay, a lot of kids are making noises. I don't know why. Okay, but anyways, let's get straight to this video. It's gonna be short. So yeah, for those that haven't subscribed to my channel, please feel free to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. And for all my subscribers, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. Yeah, know, like I just started my business, so it's just a lot going on. I'm figuring things out, and that's the reason why I haven't really come up here. But that's not really the problem. The actual reason, like I recorded the video, but I don't know where the video is. It's not on my phone, it's not on YouTube. So I'm like, did I just waste my time talking and not save the video? I don't know. So yeah, so my hair is finally almost 4 weeks now. Okay, it's past 3 weeks, it's almost 4 weeks. So I just wanted to come and do the review of the hair. I love the hair. Okay, so far I love the hair. I can definitely reuse the hair again. You guys know, like I usually install in crochet braids for like 4 weeks, and then I take it out. So this week, by the end of this weekend, I'm gonna take out these crochet braids. Okay, so I'm actually going to record this video today, upload it today, because I haven't been uploading for I think 2 weeks now. Instead of me just waiting till Saturday, I'm just gonna upload the video today. Okay, so yeah, this is how the hair is looking like. It's the freetress soft 2S locks, false locks. Yeah, and I installed 5 packs of the hair. This is how the hair is looking like. I do love the hair. Honestly, I will not tell you guys to put any like mousse or anything on the hair. Okay, I tried putting mousse on the hair. I thought it will help with the frizziness. Even though I love it, I just wanted to try to see if it helps with the frizziness. So I will tell you guys, in case you guys, some of you guys prefer your locks to just look neat throughout the time that you have in the locks, but I like the messiness of the locks. I did put the hair mousse on the hair. Let me show you guys the hair mousse actually. So for those of you that don't know the hair mousse that I use, this is the mousse that I use. It's from ORS. I got it like I think $7.99 from my local beauty supply store. This is the hair mousse that I've been using, and it's the hair mousse that I've been using honestly. Like whenever having a long-term protective style, that's the hair mousse that I purchased. So I try to use the hair mousse on like the front section to see if it actually helps with like the the tangling and the frizziness of the hair, and it did not help. Okay, so if you are the type of person that just want your false locks to look on fleek all the time, like you want it to look like the way it did when you first purchased it and installed it in as crochet braids, then hair mousse is not gonna help you out with that. Okay, I tried that a couple of times, it did not help with that. Okay, and I strongly believe it's because the hair is false locks, and the hair is like it's like you can unravel the hair, you can basically unravel the hair. So you adding hair mousse is not gonna help with anything. It will help with like crochet, like curly, like curly hairs and stuff like that. The hair mousse will help, but with false locks, don't even bother. Don't waste your money. It's not gonna help. Okay, so that's another thing. The other thing is like it took the hair like 2 weeks for it to start looking like this, so that's good. That's good for most people, but for me it was bad. Like I wanted it to take like a week, and then for it to look frizzy, because I was waiting for the frizziness of the hair. I feel like the hair being frizzy makes it look more natural, and because of the way I also cornrowed my hair, as you guys can see, it looks so natural. It looks like it's coming out from my scalp. You can't really tell that it's crochet braids. And when I even tie my hair backwards, see, you cannot tell like it's crochet braids. Like today I tried to slay down my edges, but it did not work like usual. You can't really tell that it's crochet braids but if you go close enough, then you will know like this is like a line and this is a line, so it's like a cornrow, but nobody will really like go that close. So the hair is very nice. Okay, it's very nice, it lasts long. Also, like when I installed in the hair the first day, there was one thing I did not tell you guys. Like one of the ombre, like the where the black and the brown color actually mix, one for one of my strands, it actually ripped off. So I was like, is that what's gonna happen to the rest of my hair? And actually for the past 4 weeks, none of them, like, you know, messed up. So I'm assuming that hair was not, that strand was not properly made, you know. I thought like the hair was like the black and brown were like separate or something as time goes on. That did not happen, so that's really good. So in case you want to use ombre colors, go ahead and use it. It will last like the 1B, or like, you know, the whole, you know, 1B or like just brown or something. It will last that long as well. Also the hair, it still feels light. It didn't feel like lighter or anything. It just feels the same. The hair did not shrink. I did not, you know, it did not shrink like nothing. I only have like good things to say about the hair, but the only thing I have to say is, like, if you're the type that want your false locks to look on flick all the time for the whole month or 2 months that you're going to install in the hair, I don't think that will happen, okay, with these false locks. I'm not sure about other false locks because this is the only false locks that I have actually used. I don't think, I mean, that will not happen with these false locks, okay, because as you can see, over time, as I said, after 2 weeks the hair starts to get frizzy. But I personally love that because I think false locks, the hair should look frizzy for it to look more natural. But if you're the type that want the hair to, you know, look like this, like tight throughout the whole 4 weeks or, you know, 8 weeks that you're gonna have in the hair, then this might not be the right false locks for you. But if you're the type that you like the frizziness of the false locks, you like the reality of the false locks, then this is definitely the false locks that you should purchase. Also, throughout the 4 weeks, I put on hair bonnet, but like usual, when I wake up, the hair bonnet will be somewhere, and then I'll be somewhere. Okay, so yeah, I wanted to put on like hair scarf before I put on the hair bonnet, but like we are in May. Actually, today is 1st June, so yeah, we are in June. Like, it's hot. I cannot put on like hair scarf and then put on a hair bonnet. Like, my scalp will be like burning throughout the night. So yeah, usually I will sleep. By the time I wake up, the hair bonnet will be somewhere. Okay, I probably need to purchase a new hair bonnet. Yeah, but I know it's just me. I don't sleep still. Okay, so yeah, that's another thing. So yeah, so just wear hair bonnet and just oil your scalp. You know, you can oil. I used to oil my scalp, like I oiled my scalp like only twice actually, because my hair was like, it was so itchy that 2 times I oiled my scalp. So I oiled my scalp twice and that's it basically. And I tried putting on the mousse a couple of times, like I think like 3 times or so, and it just did not help. It did not help. So I was like, you know what, this is how the hair is. I actually love it that way. I just wanted to experiment with using the mousse to see if it actually helps. So I will come and, you know, share that with you guys for those of you that want your false locks to look, you know, like tight and on nice and stuff like that. So this hair will not actually do that. The hair will get frizz up over time, and I think that's perfect. It's like, I think it's how false locks are meant to be, to look frizzy over time. So yeah, overall, if I'm supposed to rate this hair out of 5, I would give it 4.8. I love the hair. You don't need a lot of hair to install. I installed in 5 packs. Okay, I know a lot of people installing like 6, 7 packs. Like you don't need that. You don't need that amount on your head. And like, take it from me, the person that love big hair. Okay, this is perfect. This is perfect for crochet braids. This is just perfect. If I was to actually install this, the no cornrow method, you know, I would probably use like 3.5 packs, like, to be honest, because 4 is just the perfect amount to put on your head. Okay, just make sure that you leave spaces in the middle of your hair, and just like the front, make sure everything is like closed and stuff like that, like you don't see no cornrows, and you're good to go. Honestly, 4 packs, let me just show you guys again. See, 4 packs is just enough. Like, it's just so, I mean 5 packs, I mean, it's just so, it is enough. You don't need more than 5 packs. Okay, and take that from me, take that from me. Okay, but if you don't believe me, just get 6 packs, but just use 5 packs. Okay, just use 5 packs. Alright, so this will be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope it was short enough. And that's it. That's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them below. If you have questions, leave them below. I love you all. God loves you more. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, feel free to subscribe to my channel. I upload like once a week. Now I'm actually trying to add vlogging to this channel because I'm trying to grow my channel. Thank you all for watching this video. I love you all and God loves you, and I hope to see you in my next video.